we're doing sculptures.
Okay.
Well, you don't need an apron, but for little kids, please bring one. Do you know what this is?
No.
It's clay. Can you repeat? It's clay.
It's clay.
Very good, excellent. Or you can use Play-Doh again for little kids. So, with the tools we have here, something not dirty the table, the clay, the cutlery, can you say cutlery?
Cutlery.
Excellent. And toothpicks.
Toothpicks.
Very good. You're going to create a sculpture, but you're going to give it a movement. It's going to do an action, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good, excellent. So, what did you use to assemble it?
I used toothpicks to assemble the different parts.
Excellent. What did you use to make it smooth?
Water.
I used water.
I used water.
Excellent. Now, so, what action is he doing?
He is running.
Okay, can you read? He is running.
He is running.
Can you show it to the class? Excellent. Good job. Very nice, very nice.